welcome back to my channel. Today is such a beautiful day. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Fumi Ford. I'm a wife, I'm a mom, I'm a content creator based out of Birmingham, Alabama, but she's a Niger babe, Nigerian born. My channel is all things fashion, beauty, travel, entrepreneurship, and a little bit of luxury sprinkled here and there. Today we are talking luxury, so if that's something that sounds interesting to you, please think about hitting that subscribe button. I would love to have you as part of my YouTube family. If you are one of my regular lovies, sis, sit down, let's talk. So today I have a very fun unboxing for you. I am not going to talk too much because y'all get on to me when I talk too much. So let's just go ahead and roll over to the B-roll and look at the new bag that I just got. Yeah. How cute is this bag? Now, I'm not a big Gucci fan. I don't have a lot of Gucci handbags or Gucci anything, but this Diana tote bag called my name. Recently, my husband and I went to Vegas to relax, to enjoy ourselves, to have fun, and I ended up picking up some things while we were there. I went into every store, y'all. I was in every store trying to find that one handbag that was calling my name. Again, I'm not a huge Gucci fan, but when I went in there and saw this Diana tote bag in this canvas, the jumbo maximalist logo, I was like, playing every chord on my heart, and I knew I wanted to get it. It is absolutely gorgeous. As you can tell in the unboxing, it's just a beautiful handbag that's probably going to be a part of my collection forever. It's going to be a forever bag. It's an iconic bag for Gucci, and I cannot tell you how much I love it. The Diana tote comes in a lot of different leathers, a lot of different colorways. I wanted to get the canvas. The canvas does have leather trimming, but it is canvas. But I knew that was what I wanted. I looked at the leather, was not in love, saw the canvas, and literally gagged. It's just because it's a jumbo logo, and it's so maximalist. If you're one of those girls that's like, I want understated, I want muted, I want my whisper. I'm not that girl. I'm not that girl. Be loud. Be loud and be proud. And that's what this bag is. It is so loud. Gucci's boxes are literally some of my favorite boxes in the world. It kind of looks like brocade. It's absolutely gorgeous. I mean, they put so much work into literally everything that they do. One of the reasons why I don't buy a lot of Gucci is just because as handbags, they do not hold their value really well. But Gucci is having a resurgence. Every major house has its ups and lows. Gucci had a major resurgence last year, of course, because of House of Gucci, because of the collaboration with Balenciaga, the Gucci Aria. They haven't been missing lately. And so I wanted at least one handbag. Now I do have one Gucci bag. I didn't buy it. My husband bought it. It's a bucket bag. Not really my thing, but cute. Thank you, boo. And I wanted at least one that I picked out that I bought for myself from that house. So let's just go ahead and look at it. Get it up close. Look at it. Love on it. This is it. Again, it is canvas. You can see the GG logo is bigger. It's jumbo than the regular logo that's a little bit smaller. It has leather stitching. So this is leather. All of the stabilizing pieces are leather. It has feet. And you guys know that's something I talk about all the time. Any handbag with feet, it's just I'm gonna fall in love because I am so hard on my handbags. Sometimes I'll place it in water on a table and not even realize. So any handbag that has feet is just gonna help the leather stay a little bit longer. Again, it's canvas, so I'm going to have to be a little bit careful with makeup on my hands, food, my kids, but it's okay. She's gonna be on a top shelf. I love the bamboo handles. Say less. Say less. Look at that. Look at the gorgeous, gorgeous bamboo handle on this. It's absolutely so pretty. This to me is a mini bag. It's not that big. I will show you what it kind of holds, but it's not a huge bag. Let's go ahead and get into her. It does come with crossbody straps. And go ahead and take it out. Take all of the paraphernalia out of it. And then the inside is this gorgeous, I think it's leather material. Again, it is a tote bag, so it's just one wide open space. Oh, there's no pockets or anything. It's just the open space right here on the inside. It is really the truest definition of a tote bag. It closes with a metallic clasp, gold hardware. Look at that. It pops right in and you put your items on the inside. Again, it's a tote. There are no zippers. And again, the crossbody straps go right here. So it does have the hardware that you need for the crossbody straps. So let's go ahead and see how it looks with crossbody, how long it's going to be. So this is it as a crossbody. The straps are adjustable. So if you're a little bit taller, you can have it a little bit shorter. If you're shorter, you can bring it up a little bit higher. I would probably bring it up to like right here. So I'll shorten the straps. But y'all, hey. When it comes to what fits inside of it, I could fit a whole mirror, my compact iPhone 12 with a case, brush for my makeup, deodorant, and there was still room to put more items inside of here. So it's a tote bag, so it's pretty roomy, even though it's a mini size bag. Let me know your thoughts. Do you love it? Do you hate it? Are you like, sis, no? Or are you like, buy another color, buy another leather? Now let's talk about the next item that I bought while I was in Las Vegas. What 15 minutes can do for your life. Literally, I have 2 kids. In the middle of shooting, my camera dies. I go to get my kids a snack. All of my fake nails pop off. I get something on my white shirt, but either way, let's keep going. That's neither here or there. You guys ain't come here for the mess that is my beautiful life. It's a beautiful mess and I love it. So the next item that I bought is a twilly. I was gonna do the sunglasses, but let's get into this twilly first. It is a Louis Vuitton twilly. I absolutely love twillies just because they're so versatile. You can tie it around your neck, you can tie it around your wrist, you can tie it around your purse to give it like a different look. I love tying twillies around my handbags, especially my Louis Vuitton or leather handbags. We know with Louis Vuitton, the vachetta starts darkening over time because of the oils in your hand. So when you put a twilly on it, it just helps put a barrier between your dirty hands and the leather on the handles of your bag. I bought this one at Louis. Absolutely love it. It's so colorful. First of all, I love the presentation of most of my Louis Vuitton like small leather goods or twillies or even sunglasses. It's like a little bed. They put it in a bed, you pull it out, or a drawer and you take it out. So this is a twilly. Let's just bring it close. It is double-sided. So the first side, hold on, let me let it darken. The first side, as you can tell, is this gorgeous Louis Vuitton logo. It goes all the way around in this beautiful pastel seafoam green, and then it goes into pink. So if you can see, the color is like an ombre, and it's changing as you go around. It's a pretty long scarf. You have Louis Vuitton at the bottom. And then, y'all, it's a 2-for-1. Flip it around, and you have the gorgeous chain and strap detail on the other side. It goes from pink to purple to blue. Like, it's absolutely gorgeous. One way that I love to use my twilly is just to tie it around my hair, as a hair bow and just have it hanging down at the bottom of my head. It's so cute. You can also tie it on top of your head and through your hair. Like, there's so many things that you can do with this twilly. It's not a scarf, it's not that big, and it's perfect for so many things. Get creative. For under $300, the twilly is just something cute to buy and to have around and to accessorize with. While I was in Vegas, I did buy 3 pairs of sunglasses. My sister came over, stole 2, so I only have 1 left. But she knew not to take this one because this one was like my favorite one. I bought 2 pairs of Dolce & Gabbana and 1 Dior. She took the Dior and the Dolce & Gabbana and left me my favorite D&G sunglasses. Y'all, when I saw this on J-Lo, I screamed. I screamed. It screams summer. It's super dope. It's perfect for my face shape. And let me just show you. Let me show you. Let's open these sunnies up. I'm going to put the link down below if anybody's feeling frisky and wants to get them. Y'all, what do you think this is? What do you think this is? It's the visor. The visor is detachable. And the visor does not even go. Y'all, I wear these glasses. I bought them in Vegas and I've already been wearing them almost every day. So they look a mess. They're not even in the case anymore. The case that it comes in, the visor goes on this side and then the glasses go on this side. So the visor has its own like little compartment. But honey, without further ado, hey, Radi Chineke. Y'all, look at this. Summer. Put me on a yacht. I'm going on your granddaddy's yacht. Say less. How gorgeous are these? They're beautiful. They're white. They're perfect for summer. They are dark, like you can't see your eyes. One thing that I love about sunglasses when they're this dark is that you can't see the bags underneath my eyes. And I have designer bags underneath my eyes. Also, I have 2 kids, 2 boys, that's why. But I absolutely love this. I'm going to bring this a bit closer. Like, FYI, it is dirty because my makeup, my melanin makeup is all over the white, but they're pretty easy to clean. I love that it has DG right here in the middle in silver, DG on the sides as well, on the handles, also in silver. I don't know if you can see that, but y'all, absolutely gorgeous. Now let's look at the visor. Let's see how the visor goes. Y'all, bam, bam, boom. Boom, boom, bam. Plat out. That's how the visor goes. It literally just clips right on. It has hooks that it hooks, and then it has magnets, and it literally clips right on. If you want to take it off because you're like, hey, you know, I just don't want the visor, you just take it right off. You want to show off a little bit because you're around your friends, you just stick it right back. It's like Dwayne Wade when he would flip his glasses off and then flip it down. Like that's it's given. What do y'all think? Like, it's perfect for my face shape. I think it's great for any face shape. One of my best friends who's a guy tried it on and absolutely fell in love with it. So it's unisex. It's a great pair of sunnies, perfect for spring and summer. And I feel like you could even take it into winter with you. You just take this off and you could do winter whites with this. It's given yacht. That's all I can say. I absolutely adore these sunglasses, and they're a really great price point for the details that you're getting, and of course for the brand that you're getting. Comment below and let me know if you like the sunnies or if they were just not your style. Like, they're not going to be everybody's style, and I'm okay with that. Y'all, thank you so much for sitting with me in this corner of the internet. If you stumbled on this video and you enjoyed it, you had a couple of laughs, you saw some good things, and you're like, this girl could be my friend. Say less, I am your friend. Go ahead and think about hitting that subscribe button. I would love to have you as part of my YouTube family. If you're one of my regular lovies, thank you so much for taking the time to chat with me. I love y'all. Make sure you find me on other platforms, Fumi Ford, on Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest, and everywhere else. Website is fumi4.com as well. Y'all, I will see you next time. And FYI, comment any videos you want to see down below. I have a couple of clothing hauls coming pretty soon, so be on the watch out for that. But have an amazing rest of your day. Bye!